Hey everybody, and welcome back to another episode of Triple P with me, Surya Sridhar. So guys, I'm so excited to tell you that last night I landed in one of the most artistic, one of the most vibrant cities in Europe. I can only be talking about Lisbon. I'm so excited to be here right now. I'm actually heading to a awesome mosaics workshop with Eileen. I mean, come on, there's just so much art everywhere, it really inspires you. There are these beautiful mosaics on the grounds and the pavements, these azulejo tiles on the exterior of all the buildings, and the buildings itself are so colorful, so it just made sense to go for a creative workshop. So, let's go.
For a 9-month contract, 25 years ago, and never left. Met my husband, at which point I was sort of looking for reasons to stay, and so I fell in love with the mosaic sidewalks, and I thought I would take a workshop, but they didn't exist at the time. So it's very much self-taught. You learn the pitfalls and you don't get so consumed with the rules.
Right, exactly.
You make it up as you go. It's a genuine passion.
Right. What inspires you as well?
So I get inspiration from everything, from whether it's Instagram or interior magazines, at the beach, street art. I love the street art in Lisbon. But what I'm really enamored with is the process. Okay. So I think whether you're doing mosaics or yoga or knitting or anything that gets you out of your mind, it's the objective to get out of our mind and to not think about it, and that's when the magic happens.
Exactly.
Whatever their tool is, it's a vehicle to get in the zone. So I'm doing this initiative where I'm happy to create it, to pay for the materials and the shipping, but the recipient has to agree to hang it in a public place, not like in their kitchen, and they are to give one homeless person, buy them something to eat, whether it's a sandwich or a banana, or to have that exchange, and then the love represents, spreading the love. So now they're on 6 continents.
Wow.
And if anyone knows someone in Antarctica, doesn't inhabit humans. So yeah, it's spreading a little love.
So my name is Maria Salomon Schmidt, and this is probably my 6th time coming here. I live in the States part of the time, and I come here as much as I can to Lisbon. And I love Eileen. I love her work. She is so authentic. I've seen in those workshops, I've seen people come here kind of shy and reserved, and what is this, tiles, and they just leave with their hearts wide open. It's such a tool for humanity. Like, it's just people being people. Like the lost art of people being people is kind of what it is. And right now I'm facing, I've got re-diagnosed with breast cancer, and I'm choosing to do it a way that a lot of people are worried for me for. Like, I'm doing it the natural way, the way that my body heals, and this is healing on another level. It just fills my soul. And I was asked to ask, like, what do I do? And I'm an author. I was a guest on the Oprah Winfrey Show, and my book made it to Amazon's top 100 books on happiness, and it's called Finally Full of Yourself, Unlocking Your Spiritual DNA. And I think we're in a time in humanity where we need to be ourselves, to be our flavor in the world. It's imperative. It's absolutely imperative. So I just love it here. It's just my happy place.